if you like to garden, well, of course you do. You wouldn't be stopping at this channel. If you like to garden and you like to save a couple dollars and like to eat healthy, then this video is for you. In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can do all three. Stay with me. Well, for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm the Frugal Gardener. I live on a 4.5-acre homestead in West Virginia, and that's Zone 7A. And I also do a series called Gardening Over 40. Today, we're going to talk about something different. So only going to take a few minutes, like I said, and that is carrots. No, not carrots, carrot tops. A lot of people throw away these tops, as I mentioned, but they have a lot of nutritional value, and in a very few short minutes, I'm going to explain to you why I don't throw these away and why you probably shouldn't either. I mean, number one, these carrot tops, basically, they're full of antioxidants, and people don't realize, but you have 6 times more vitamin C in these tops than you do in the actual carrots. Ordinarily, these carrots are pitiful. These are left over from the winter, and I would probably compost them. In this case, I don't know. They might be used in a salad, or I'll just give them to my chickens. In addition to vitamin C, you also have vitamin A and vitamin K. And as I said, they are high in antioxidants. And you also have calcium. So this is something that is really going to improve your health, and doesn't cost you anything if you're growing them. And even if you are growing them, basically, if you aren't growing them, I'm sorry, instead of buying those packaged carrots, buy the fresh carrots, buy the natural carrots, because you get a 2-for-1. You get to use them for whatever it is you're purchasing them for, but you also get to use these very nutritional tops. Now, I know what you're thinking. Like, well, what am I going to do with these tops if I do save them? I did some research, and this is actually not my first video on this. This is my second, maybe my third. I've been doing this for about 7 years now. And you can use these tops in soups, in salads. I watched a show on the Food Network the other day where they fried them and used them as a garnish. You can saute them. You can put them in stews. People use them for chimichurri, and you can even use them as a broth. So they have many uses. In a previous video, I'll see if I can find it. What I did was basically cut the tops off, hung them upside down, took a piece of string, tied them, and left them to hang out to dry. So it's the same method that you use for a lot of other herbs and things that you want to dry out and save for later use. And excuse me, as long as the area is dry and not in the direct sunlight, there's other ways you can do it. You can put them on low heat in the oven. You can put them in the dehydrator, which I like to use. But the point is, don't sleep on these. Don't throw these away. And like I said, you have basically the means in most cases to buy these from farmers markets, to buy these from supermarkets, from the organic section. And it's just like the lady with the fish heads. Why throw away, I won't say the best part, but why throw away the part that is going to give you a lot of benefits that you need, especially if you're over 40, but even if you're under 40. So like I said, I'm not going to keep you guys long today. I have a lot going on. I'm almost ready for my unveiling of my Oasis garden. I've been working hard on it. That video is coming up in a few days. Actually, this is the first time that I've actually had 4 videos planned in a row. So there's a lot coming. And if you guys Want to see what's going on this summer, then please subscribe. Please repost this video and give me a like. I appreciate it. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I always say, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Guys, have a great day.